Today we will talk about Chapter 4 of George Orwell's Animal Farm. This chapter highlights two major themes: the spread of revolutionary ideas and the first great test of Animal Farm's unity, the Battle of Cowshed. By late summer, news of the rebellion had spread far and wide. Snowball and Napoleon sent pigeons to neighboring farms, carrying the message of freedom and teaching other animals the song beasts. This inspired rebelliousness everywhere. Farmers like Mr. Frederick and Mr. Pilkington tried to stop the spread of these ideas by mocking and spreading lies about Animal Farm. Yet, the spirit of rebellion continued to grow. The real climax of this chapter is the Battle of the Cowshed. Mr. Jones, along with other men, tried to retake the farm, but Snowball, inspired by Julius Caesar's battle strategies, led the animals with great courage. They fought bravely. Geese attacked, sheep and donkeys charged, and Boxer struck with his mighty hooves. Even though Snowball was wounded, the animals stood united and forced the humans to flee. The animals celebrated their victory with pride. They buried the fallen sheep, honored Snowball and Boxer with medals, and named the event the Battle of the Cowshed. From that day onward, it became a symbol of their courage and determination. This chapter teaches us that unity is strength. No matter how weak individuals may seem, when united for a common cause, they can defeat even stronger enemies. It also shows us how revolutions inspire hope, but at the same time, they come with sacrifice and struggle. In conclusion, Chapter 4 is a reminder that freedom is not easily gained. It must be protected with courage, unity, and sacrifice.